as of today, there's been a great white lurking off the coast of Cocoa Beach. Now, according to OCEARCH, it's actually been in this location for almost a week, and as of last night at 10:31 p.m., it's just off the coast of Cocoa Beach near the Patrick Air Force Base. Now, this female great white shark is 10 feet long, and the reason we know this is because companies like OCEARCH actually tag a bunch of sharks in order to study them, figure out where they migrate, and some companies actually tag sharks for safety purposes. You know, in case a great white shark is lurking off the coast of one of the most tourist-driven beaches in all of Florida, such as this one. Now, as part of the new Ocean of Horror series, where we go out and actually investigate and start diving with a bunch of horrific shit in real life and not just sit here and talk about it, we're going to go ahead and kick off this little teaser. Now, this is not actually an official episode because the episodes are planned out ahead and they're done with companies. We're actually going to get face-to-face with sharks and a whole bunch of really cool shit coming up. However, investigating is part of it. So let's head on over to the fucking beach and try to find this shark. Alright, so this is about where they tracked the great white to because he was tagged. And he's right up here somewhere. Yeah, I know this is a bit crazy. Yeah, he's probably a half a mile out further than me, so I'm not that stupid. But I figured we come out here and see what we could find for a little bit, and if not,